Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the High Performance Trader. I am Joshua Salvetti, and today I got a quick, awesome lesson, right, on how to identify areas of value, right, and how to get in and out of the market successfully. I'm going to be breaking down a successful trade that we took over on the Discord, right? I called this out in the Discord, and we capitalized a great move off of demand into end of day. So we're going to be breaking down what that means, right? And for all the traders that do not know, right, come check out the Instagram page, right? I got tons of valuable resources, content, tips, tricks, right, that define my edge, right? I do tons of really good work on here, so go check it out. And also, guys, go look at the highperformancetrader.net, right? Tons of valuable resources here, right? If you are interested in getting involved in the Discord community, right? I am offering a free week to any trader out there, right? No risk. You can cancel anytime, right? Come check it out. Also, the full in-depth trading course, right? Based on price and volume analysis, process development, and market psychology, right? So we break down everything that you need to know to get in and out of the market successfully, chart patterns, right? 5-step systematic daily process that you can follow every single day to make money, right? And what's really cool about this is when you buy the course, with the purchase of the course, you get a full year free on the Discord, right? So go check it out. Really awesome resource, right? So today's lesson, we are going to be breaking down a trade we took on QQQ, right? So in the pre-market plan, and we post these every single day in the Discord, right? So in the pre-market plan, I put looking for buyers to step up at 307.30 or 305.79, right? With volume and strength targeting end of day. Patiently wait for chart pattern in volume in zone, right? So then I put a graphical presentation on where I'm exactly looking for buyers to step up in the move I am anticipating. Now remember, this is very important, right? Because a lot of traders get this confused. We do not predict the market. What we do and what our edge consists of, right, is reacting to market information, right? It is very important for you to understand, right? Once you try to predict the market, you fail. Because what that does is put you in a state of mind where you are expecting something to happen. Now, the market does not need and will not respect what you are expecting, right? So as a trader, we must get very good at identifying the market conditions, adapting to them, and capitalizing on them in real time. And that's exactly what we do over here at the High Performance Trader. That's exactly what I work with every single trader on our team to accomplish day in and day out, right? So that is what we were looking for. So every single day, right, I break down my areas of value. So one of the great ways that I do this is I always look at yesterday's lows, right? So if and when, right, we open, right? So yesterday we had lows of 307.10. Right, so I put this in the Discord, right? We were looking for 307 demand, right? We were looking for buyers to show up, right? So basically what that means is I am developing a trade plan, right? So in my mind, I'm going, if and when buyers show up in this demand zone, I will be then targeting end of day, which was yesterday's prior close. In this case, it is 309.88, right? So I'm looking to capture the market imbalance in between demand and end of day, right? Because I know that those are two very volatile areas, right? And price action is going to act as a magnet if we can capitalize on any volume there, right? And also in this case, pre-market low was very, very close to this area, right? So let's break down on the 1 minute just to kind of get a feel of how this happened. So as you can see, price ripped up right at 9:30 and rejected this 309.79 area, right? Very close to end of day. And now what that's telling you is that there is a seller present at end of day, right? So anytime we get a violent move off of a specific area, right, what that basically means is that that is a supply zone or a demand zone. Anytime you get a massive move off of any price, you got to look at it like an auction, right? So literally every time price hits 309.50, bam, someone's dropping off 1 million shares, right? So, and vice versa over here at this 307 area. Now, it's very important to identify these areas as zones or domains or areas of interest, right? So it's not always a specific number, right? And a lot of traders get confused there, right? They go, oh, well, my supply and demand zones aren't, accurate enough. Listen, guys, all what you really need are specific areas that you are keeping an eye on, specific areas that you're looking for volume to pick up in, right? Anything that's going to help you identify a move, right? And capture that, right? So how this ended up working is price literally came down into our area of value. Now, I want to show you something that really helps me. So once I have my areas mapped out, right, I then will take off pre-market data to kind of get a feel. So what you can see here with pre-market data off, right, you can literally see in this area, right, this was yesterday's lows, price literally comes down, touches it, and rejects perfectly, right? And it's so crazy because once, the market's all about perception, right? And what that means is how you look at it. So sometimes too much information is bad. And now I'm not saying do not trade with pre-market data. I identify zones and areas of interest with pre-market data every single day. But what helps me as a trader, right? What helps me and what works for me is once I've identified my areas of value, I will then get rid of pre-market data and watch price come right into my area or yesterday's lows or yesterday's highs and then look for volume and buyers or sellers there. And you can see that is exactly what happened, right? So we get this wonderful move right out of demand, right? It comes down, rips, and another very vital tool that I use is patience, right? You must be patient for price to come back, retest with volume. This is when we enter the trade and manage risk, right? And then price literally ripped right up to the open, right? Which was right around end of day. That was exactly our target, right? Once again, we didn't exactly smash it, but we captured the market imbalance, right? So basically, all what I want you to take from this lesson is that you develop a trade plan, right? That you identify your areas of value, right? And that you stick to it. It is very important that you trade your plan and trust your process, right? So that pretty much wraps it up for this lesson. Really quick one, but very good, right? Once again, guys, check out the Instagram, get involved in the Discord, right? It is free for a week, right? No strings attached, right? If you don't like it, no doubt, but I'm that confident that you can learn so much, right? Right now we are running a free week, right? Just go ahead and subscribe in the server subscriptions, right? And continue to work on your trading. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit a like, thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.